Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gretchen and this is Beautiful Mess. And today I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I cleaned a family member's glass stovetop. So they had the Wyman, the glass stovetop kit for cleaning, but they just had not really had any success with getting the amount of burnt off food that they had, getting it off of their stove. And they had tried really hard. The stovetop was brand new when they moved into the house a year ago, but it has just been really difficult for them to keep up with. So I had done some research for my glass stovetop because I had some issues with just not researching how to, well, doing my research when we first bought it. And so I didn't really know how to keep mine clean, and mine just turned into a disaster. And then on top of that, when I did try to clean it one day, I just scratched the goodness gracious out of it. So my glass stovetop is really scratched up very badly. But for my family member, I had researched, and I had just finished researching, and just because I hadn't gotten all of the burnt off food off of my stovetop, even though I had already scratched it to pieces. So mine it doesn't look as bad, but it does have quite a few scratches, and I'm hoping maybe that I can salvage it somehow with like a polish or something. But that's another story. What I wanted to talk to you guys about was hers, and just show you guys what I used. So I used the Totally Awesome spray from the Dollar Tree. Yes. So I went on Pinterest and I looked this up, and I saw somebody who had used the Totally Awesome spray and a Wyman kit, and I think they also used a magic eraser, but I tried using the magic eraser and I don't feel like it really did anything to remove any of the burnt on food. So I just used the Totally Awesome spray, and I used the Wyman kit that included the little razor that it came with. Sprayed this on, we let it sit for a little bit, and we just started scraping it with the glass stovetop razor from Wyman, and it's just started coming off so easily. So they are happy, and I am happy that they are happy and that we did not scratch up their glass stovetop. But it worked out really well. So I am not a professional when it comes to cleaning or anything like that. I know that for certain things it does say on this bottle to dilute. So, but for this, we just sprayed it straight and it was quite alright. It does say for some things that you can spray it on directly. For this, we went ahead and we did, and it worked out great for us. So that is it for this video, guys. I just really wanted to show you what I used to help them clean their glass stovetop, and it just turned out better than what I think we expected for it to turn out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, my YouTube community. So click that red subscribe button and then click the little notification bell so that when I do upload a video, you get a notification and you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys as always for watching. Thank you. I love you guys. Take care and God bless. Bye.